Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Programmatically, where I make weekly videos and various tutorials and step-by-step guides on how various tools and software work. So, in this video, we are going to see how to install VMware on Windows. For those of you who don't know what VMware is, it is a virtualization technology. Hence, it can be used to run virtual machines on it. What I mean by that is, I'm running Windows operating system on my laptop, but when I run a virtual machine on VMware, I can practically run another operating system inside my primary operating system, which is Windows. That other operating system can be anything. It can be either macOS or a Linux operating system, or it can be another instance of Windows itself. So I hope that clears up any confusion of what VMware does. And without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. Alright, so the first thing that we need to do is download VMware itself. So let's open up a browser and head to its website. The first thing that shows up, just click on that. And there we are. Just scroll down a little bit. We are going to download the free community version, which is VMware Workstation Player. Okay, let's go down and we have two options for Windows and for Linux. We are going to go for Windows. Just click over here and it's going to start downloading the tool for us. I will not do it because I already have it downloaded as usual right here. Let's run the installation process. Alright, once this shows up, click on next and just agree to the license agreement. Click on next again. And over here, I'm just going to click on this option as well, enhanced keyboard driver. Click on next again. Over here, I'm going to uncheck this because I don't want to join any customer experience improvement program. And also I'm going to uncheck this for any future updates as well. So click on next and I'm going to keep these two checked. Click on next again and then install. So this is going to install VMware on our system. It's going to take a while, so I'm going to skip right ahead to the end. And there we go. VMware has been successfully installed on our computer. Let's complete this by clicking finish. No, I do not want to restart it right now. I'm going to do that later on. And I had checked the option to have a shortcut option on my desktop right over here. It's right over here. Let's open it up. Voila. We have successfully installed VMware on our computer. So let's start an instance. Let's click on Player at the top, click on File, and open up. You can either start a new virtual machine or open up an already existing one. Since I already have an existing one, I'm just going to open that up. And right over here, this is where my backup is already kept. So I'm just going to click over there and hit open. And now I'm going to turn it on. There we go, guys. The virtual machine has been spun up. Let's log in. There we go. It's all working good. So we have successfully downloaded and installed VMware on Windows and even spun up a virtual machine on it. So that's going to be it for today's video, guys. If you found the content helpful, then you should definitely go and check out my other blogging website, programmatically.com. The link will be in the description box below. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Take care.